The following video might not be suitable for everyone. Viewers' discretion is advised.
Hey man, you know where I watch? Dancehall skilla. Alright viewers and subscribers, my name is Dancehall skilla. I am here again. Big up and respect to each and everyone. Now this is an update about an incident that happened within the country of Jamaica. There are news articles out there about the incident, and there are news reports out there about the incident where it is said that a plane crashed at a place that is known as Rocky Point, that is within the parish that is known as Clarendon, that is within the country known as Jamaica. Now viewers and subscribers, I saw a news article and I read the news article, and according to some things that I read in the news article, it says that the police within the country of Jamaica said that they are aware of the persons who were piloting that plane. Now I'm going to read parts of a news article so that you can get a understanding as to what I just said, and in my point of view, this article is an update about the incident where it is said that a plane crashed within Rocky Point, Clarendon, Jamaica. You see what I'm saying to you? And I wanted to please bear in mind that even though I'm going to read parts of the news article to you, my viewers and subscribers, it might not be word for word as to how it had been said in the news article. You see me? Because I'm also going to tell you what I think about some of the things that have been said in this news article. You see what I'm saying to you? Alright, so news article said that police say they are aware of the identities of persons who were piloting the aircraft that crash landed in Rocky Point, Clarendon. We actually know who were flying it, and this is part of a transnational set of investigations that are taking place, said Police Commissioner Major General Anthony Anderson. You see me? A part of the news article said that he did not reveal the identities of the persons or the nationalities of the persons that they claimed they said they know who were flying the plane. You see me? Yeah, that's the understanding that I got from that news article. You see me? And according to news article said that Mr. Anderson was speaking at a police virtual conference that was held on Monday, February 1st, year 2021, to update the nation on developments regarding the crime. You see what I'm saying to you? Another part of the news article said that the commissioner also revealed that the plane was registered in Mexico. You see it? And it wasn't destined for Jamaica. Right? We do know that it is a Mexican registered plane, he said, adding as far as we know, and that has been reported to us. There are no real cargo on board. It has a profile that we know is suspicious, and we are following up. Now, viewers and subscribers, the part that have me thinking now is the part where the news article said that the commissioner said that the plane was not destined for Jamaica, meaning that the plane was not heading towards Jamaica, was not going to Jamaica, it was going somewhere else. Now, if the plane was not going to Jamaica, you see me, and if that plane was coming from Mexico, you see me, because it must be coming from Mexico, you know. You understand? But however, I'm just saying, if the plane is coming from Mexico, right? I'm saying to myself, this is not a large passenger plane aircraft. It's not a big aircraft. You see me? It's a small airplane. You see what I'm saying to you? And you know, I did some Google search to see how far is Jamaica from Mexico, and it's over 1,500 miles. You see me? Yeah, I don't remember the exact amount, but it's more than 1,500 miles. You see me? And I did a Google search to find out how far can a small aircraft like the one that them say crash landed in Rocky Point can go. You see me? And when I did the Google search, it said that a small aircraft like that can go from about 500 miles to more than 1,400 miles. You see me? Maybe it can go more, maybe it can go less. You see what I'm saying to you? It says that it depends on how large the fuel tank be. You see what I'm saying to you? It's not like I remember everything as how it had been said in the Google search that I found. You see what I'm saying to you? Plus some of these Google search might not be accurate. You see me? I'm just telling you what I saw in our Google search. You see what I'm saying to you? So that I'm wondering if a plane like that can actually fly from Mexico to Jamaica easily. You see me? Yeah, I'm wondering that. I'm not saying that it cannot do it, I'm wondering that. It's not like I am a pilot. It's not like I am a man that make plane or I do mechanical works on plane. I don't have a lot of understanding about plane, is what I'm saying to you. So I am wondering if a plane like that can actually travel all the way from Mexico all the way to Jamaica without any form of difficulties. Is what I'm saying to you. Yeah, that's what I'm wondering. I'm not saying that it cannot do it. I'm just wondering that. So I said to myself, maybe this plane stopped somewhere before it ended up in Jamaica. You see me? No, I do not have any proof where this plane is coming from. I cannot tell you if it is coming from Mexico or wherever. I'm just saying to myself that maybe this plane stopped somewhere and probably refill its tank before it head towards Jamaica. You see me? That's what I said to myself. So when I look at it, I'm saying to myself, there's Cayman, there's a part of Cuba, and that's what I'm looking at. I'm just trying to think to see where that plane could stop and refuel and so forth before it goes to Jamaica. You see me? These are just things that I'm thinking about. I'm not saying that it happened. I am not saying these things happen. I'm just telling you what I'm thinking about. I'm also thinking to myself and saying then maybe the plane was not coming from Mexico. Maybe it's coming from Panama, or maybe it's coming from another place in South America. But I'm saying then if they're coming from those places and if it's not destined for Jamaica, then why head to Jamaica? You see what I'm saying to you? Maybe the person or persons who were piloting the plane, maybe they made a mistake, you see me, or maybe something went wrong, there are other things me think about, viewers and subscribers, but I'm just saying those things. I'm just pointing out those things to you. You see what I'm saying to you? All right. So, another part of the news article said that despite rumors swirling that the plane may have been carrying drugs, Anderson said this is not the case. I don't want to go into more details about it, but the plane itself, as far as we are aware, wasn't carrying any particular goods. You see me? The news article also gave the type of plane that said to have crash landed within Rocky Point, Clarendon, Jamaica. And more things had been said. Yes, what I'm saying to you. And the news article said that the incident happened on January 23rd, the year 2021. And there are also other things that had been said. Oh yeah, and there's a part of the news article that said that a businessman from Rocky Point was taken into police custody shortly after the plane crash for questioning, but was released a week later. Now, viewers and subscribers, I wanted to tell me what you think about the things that I said that I saw in this news article. Yes, what I'm saying to you. I mean, if the plane is not destined for Jamaica, viewers and subscribers, that's the part that I'm thinking about. Yes, what I'm saying to you. And the news article said that the police said that they are aware of who were piloting the plane. But however, the identities of those persons were not released. You see what I'm saying to you? And those are the things that I'm thinking about, viewers and subscribers. You see me? At one point, I'm wondering if this is some secret service thing or, maybe this whole thing is just above the security forces within the country of Jamaica. Maybe this is bigger than the security forces within the country of Jamaica. You see what I'm saying to you? Because according to the news article said that the police within the country of Jamaica are aware of the persons who were on that plane or the persons who were flying that plane. You see me? According to the things that the news article said. You see me? And if the police within the country of Jamaica have information as to who these persons are, then I'm wondering if they have these persons in custody. And if they don't have these persons in custody, then I'm also wondering if they want these persons to be in custody or if these persons are free to go or whatsoever. And if these persons are wanted, then I'm also wondering why not let the public know who these persons are. All these things I'm thinking about, isn't it? Because a lot of times me see wanted posts on social media, me see on television where them say, hey, this person wanted, you see the face, you see the name and other informations about the persons. You understand me? So You know what I mean? You know, this whole thing got me thinking. You understand me? But you don't know, viewers and subscribers, I'm only here to keep you up to date and posted and let you know what's going on. Here's what I'm saying to you. So you can let me know what you think about some of the things that I just told you, that I read in this news article, you know. You know what? It's a big up and respect to each and every one. You see what I'm saying to you? Yeah, so here's where I'm going to leave it, viewers and subscribers. All right, so if you're new to my channel, don't be afraid to click the subscribe button. I'm in name Dancehall Skilla. Uno big up on yourself. You see it?
Hey, my youth, you know where you watch? Dancehall Skilla. Hear me now? Hey, yo, Skilla. You are watching Dancehall Skilla Entertainment.